Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1971 Dodge Charger. This is a rally car. Very cool car, guys. Sorry, my flag's getting in the way here. I'm not real big on this body style, to be totally honest with you. What really drew me to this car, this is a factory U-Code 440 car and a factory N96 air grabber hood car. I also like the color combo. It's factory Dover white, I was going to call it Alpine white, with a lot of black, the black inserts on the doors. Of course, it's got the hood striping, the black vinyl top. So the car, to me, hit me good. It's got 17 and 18 inch American Racing torque thrust all the way around it, and just a good looking car. And again, very rare car, guys. Factory U-Code, factory air grabber car, which is pretty darn cool. Good solid straight body. The car, it's got 83,000 original miles on it. Car came out of the East Coast, Massachusetts. Neat car. Like I say, it's something different. I like the look of it. I think the car's got a real good look to it. And if you're looking for a nice driver, the car really hits the road good. Factory hideaway headlights, they work. Front chin spoiler. Like I say, it's got the air grabber, the go wing on the back. Chrome and stainless is pretty nice. I saw, doggone sun's out. Oh, there's a couple little blemishes you can kind of nitpick in the paint, but pretty doggone nice. All right, it's a little bug there. Again, front chin spoiler. It's got the fender mount hood turn signals on it, but they do not work. Again, that air grabber is super cool, and it does work. One of the coolest options Chrysler ever had, I think. Dash is nice in there. Vinyl top's in great shape. Good solid straight body. I believe it's had one of the quarter panels replaced, but they did a nice job. Again, go wing. See the car's nice and flat down the sides. Looks like newer rubber on it. It's got those torque thrust D style wheels on. It's got Flowmaster exhaust with the machine gun tips. Pretty darn cool car. I like the torque thrust Ds. It's got that old school look with their 17s and 18s. Front disc brakes. It's not the original engine. I believe he said it's a 1970 engine on it, 440. Again, it is a factory U-Code 440 car, 4-barrel. It's got a Mopar Performance intake on it, Mopar Performance camshaft, stock exhaust manifolds. It's manual steering. Now, the gentleman I got the car from said that if somebody wants power steering actually put on it, he would do that. Power front disc brakes, electronic ignition, 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. Again, your air grabber hood, it does work. It's got Mopar Performance valve covers on it. Mopar radiator with a shroud. There's your fender tag. couple little marks I saw. Yeah, a little mark in the door there. So another little mark in the paint. Pretty doggone nice, guys. Factory remote mirror, chrome's a little bit pitted. Door handles look original. I do have the original door tag. When I had the car repainted, they pulled it off. But I do have that. Look how nice the bottoms of those doors are. Factory black vinyl interior. Looks like they've replaced the carpet. I did order some floor mats for it. Those are on the way. I'm gonna have to find one of these, a little rubber cap that goes on here, the finished piece there. I'm gonna have to see if I can find one of those. Bucket seats, console. Factory dash, again, 83,000 original miles. Factory Rallye dash with tach and gauges, AM/FM radio. They've also put an aftermarket radio in here. To be honest with you, I don't particularly care for that. Flowmaster dual exhaust. Factory 323, 8 3/4 sure grip rear end, rear sway bar. Dust, guys. Pretty car. Factory jack with the spares in here. It's all body color. Got it up in the air, got some pictures of the bottom for you. Pretty original underneath there. Can't say it was a rotisserie resto or anything like that, but nice. Sorry guys, I'm come off. This is the cap that's missing on that other side. Good looking car. Go ahead, Jordy, you can fire it up. Again, looks like original door handles. I like the Rallye stripes on it. Those are pretty cool. Air grabber's functional. That is pretty darn cool right there. Door buzzer works, Rallye dash works, all your gauging. Now he did say it's going to need a fuel sending unit, so we'll have to get into that. That's the only gauge in there that's not working. Yeah, that you can see if you can power it. You haven't. I saw a remote for it too. No, there's a power. I'm not real sure. I hate radios. Blower motor on your left-hand side. I think it's working. I think I heard it. I'm not real sure about the radio, guys. Again, hideaway headlights, they all function. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Definitely keep track of us on our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Also, make sure that you click on the button here below so you can subscribe to our YouTube page, and we get a notification every time I do a new one of these videos. Have a great day, guys.